You can make money today with the SoFi Bank affiliate program if you just follow the simple instructions that I'm going to lay out for you in this video from start to finish, okay? Now, if you are unfamiliar, SoFi Bank is an online banking or personal finance company, right? And one of their most popular products is a high yield savings account. So that's what we're going to be using to make money today, right? Now, I predominantly talk about selling digital products. You can look at SoFi Bank as a digital product, right? It's all online based and all that type of stuff, right? But one of the main things that a lot of people, get bothered by when it comes to selling digital products, especially courses, right? One of the things that really hinders people is the fact that you actually have to buy a lot of these digital courses before you can sell them yourself as an affiliate. Okay, now SoFi Bank completely eliminates that. As a matter of fact, they will actually pay you just to to promote they'll pay you just to open an account with them, right, and deposit $50 in there. And the thing is, you have to be a customer in order to get access to the SoFi Bank affiliate program. Okay, so it's really simple. You just click that first link in the description below this video. All you need to do is sign up, right? Go through the process. And before I continue, I need to point this out really quickly. This is something that's going to be useful and something that will work only for people who are U.S. Not necessarily citizens. Well, let's just say U.S. citizens that live in the U.S., right? Or legal permanent residents, right? You have to be based in the United States. So if you live in Canada, this is not something that's going to work. If you live anywhere outside of the United States, and you don't have a U.S. bank account, this is just not something that's going to work for you. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Really simple. As I mentioned, if you click that first link in the description below this video, that is my affiliate link, right? Once you click that link, it'll take you to a page where you can start the process of signing up. That page that you go to is going to be my affiliate page, right? And you will get a page exactly the same like that one with your own affiliate link that you will get from inside your back, like I guess your dashboard, right? When you log into your bank account, there will be a place where you can it'll probably say something like get $75, right? And when you click on that link, it will show you where you will have your own unique affiliate link, and it will have your name in place of my name on that landing page that you see when you click on the link in the description below this video. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just go through the process. You're going to need your social security number to sign up. It is a real bank, okay? So keep that in mind. You're going to have to provide real information, okay? It's pretty straightforward. Go through the sign up process, and when you do go through the sign up process, you're going to get to a point where they will give you two options to fund your newly created high yield savings account, right? Or by the way, when you open that high yield savings account, you will automatically receive a checking account as well, okay? So there'll be two options. You can deposit that money, that $50 in your account, which is what you need to deposit in order to get this welcome bonus. If I didn't mention it already, you will have a $25 welcome bonus just for opening up the account, okay? And you'll get that $25 bonus once you sign up, open the account, and deposit $50. Now, that $50 that you deposit, you're going to have two options. You can either do like an ACH transfer, where you're transferring money from your current already existing US bank account, right? But you don't want to do that because that takes about maybe when you do it, it might take a couple business days or so, right? And until that money clears and deposits in your SoFi account, you're not going to get that $25 welcome bonus. The quickest way to get it, in my case it took about 15 to 20 minutes, is to use your existing bank issued debit card, okay? So where you can instantly transfer $50 into the account. Once you do that and you transfer that $50 into your SoFi account in about 15 to 20 minutes, is how long it took for me, you'll get that $25 welcome bonus. Then you want to go in, look for your affiliate link, and take that link and share it with your friends and other people that you know, acquaintances, for them to sign up. And when they sign up, they'll get their $25 for free. And you, my friend, will receive a $75 commission. So refer 10 people, you'll get $750 in commissions. Now, bear in mind that you can only earn up to $10,000 per calendar year. So if you're able to refer, I think it's like 133 people or something like that, before 2025 is over. Once 2026 comes over, you'll be able to earn another 10,000. And then if you earn 10,000 within that year, right, you gotta wait till the next year before you can earn another 10,000, right? So you can earn $10,000 per calendar year in referral bonuses and commissions and all that type stuff with SoFi. They have a bunch of other products as well, like an investment accounts and all that type stuff, student loans, personal loans, and all that. They give commissions for those as well if you refer people to join with those. But the most popular one right now is that high yield savings account, right? You want to use that and get $75 for each person that you refer. As of the time of this particular recording, the interest rate they'll pay you is up to 3.8%, okay? 3.8%, but you just got to set up direct deposit. So I would just suggest taking like a little portion of your current paycheck if you have a 9-to-5 job and just allocating it to your SoFi, right? If you don't want to put your entire paycheck in there, right? You will then be eligible to get up to that 3.8%. If you don't have direct deposit set up, then I think it's a 1.2%, which is still way higher than what you'd be getting in your regular brick and mortar bank, right? So if you have $10,000 at SoFi, after a year, that $10,000 would have earned you about $380 in interest. Okay, so that's like roughly $30 per month or something like that, right? So somewhere there. Now if you don't have, like, say some instant direct deposit, whether it's through like an employer or like say a government payment like Social Security, whatever the case may be, you can sign up for an affiliate network called ClickBank. Okay, that's the way I got my, that's the way I get my qualifying direct deposit, right? Sign up with them, and then you'd have to generate some sales, affiliate sales as, generate some sales as an affiliate, right? And then set up direct deposit from ClickBank into your SoFi bank, and then you will qualify for that highest yield, all right? That highest annual percentage yield and interest of 3.8%. Okay, so that is essentially it. Pretty straightforward. I feel like I'm missing something, but that is about it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. I will be sure to respond. But once you do that, right, open up an account, get $25, refer just even one person, a friend or so. That's $75 right there, and you would have $100 right up for just like that, right? So if you have your spouse or any eligible kids that are of age, what I would do is I would sign up, right? Get my $25, and I tell, you tell your spouse, right? Give them your referral link to sign up. They'll get $25 for free, and then you will get $75. So between just you and your spouse, that's already $125, just like that. And then if your spouse wants to refer his or her friends and get, start generating her own or his own affiliate commissions from referrals, they can do that too. So between the two of you, you can make up to $20,000 per calendar year. Okay, so it's one of the simplest and very enticing affiliate programs out there that is free. As a matter of fact, it's more than just free. You get paid just to get started with them, right? That $25 welcome bonus. So Time is of the essence. Who knows how much longer they're going to be running this promo? It's not something that might last forever, but it's been going on for a while, and at the current rates. Okay, so I would capitalize on this ASAP if you are interested. Get going with that. I have my own SoFi account. That's something that I'm looking to use to start deposit. Once I make, once you make your sales with your digital product selling business and all the products that you sell, take that money, all the extra money that you make, put it in that high yield savings account and let that money go to work for you as well, right? So that is literal passive income, making money in your sleep, right? So do that, and you can start having your money grow in there. Like, so if you have like your emergency fund, keep it in there. Don't leave in your regular brick and mortar bank that's not earning you anything. If you're saving up for a house, any kind of money that you're saving up for any major purchase, if it's a lot of money, keep it inside your SoFi account, and you'll make lots of free money in interest, right? So I think I don't know if it's Warren Buffett that called it the eighth wonder of the world, compound. Oh, maybe it's Einstein. I think it was Albert Einstein said compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world or something like that. But anyway, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Go ahead and get started. First link in the description below this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them down there, and I promise I will respond. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao.